Alright, what's up guys? Drew Peacock here with another video. This one's a little bit different. I've never really had like car themed videos, but we all love watching Mustang crashes, we all love watching Mustang fails, and one of you guys actually tagged me to this account called Bad Mustang Drivers on Instagram, and I like watching Mustang fails and stuff like this, but I didn't follow an account specifically for it until now. They actually just post specifically Mustang fails, and I can laugh at Mustang fails, I can laugh at Mustang jokes. Sometimes they do get old, like ha ha ha, shouldn't you out be crashing into a crowd? For those of you that don't know, I own a Mustang, but it's some pretty good videos on here of Mustangs that, Mustang fails that I haven't seen before. So, I thought, screw it, I'll make a video on this. I like this account. I don't know who owns it, I don't know any of that stuff. They didn't pay me to do this or anything like that, but I do like this account, so it's some good content, and they post some good crashes. So I'm just gonna click on a few and let's talk about these. As a Mustang driver, I'll be able to break down kind of what's going on in the clip and what happens. If you guys want to become a part of the Peacock Flock, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's dive right in. Let's go to this one. Alright, so this one is a pretty common occurrence right here. Now see, this is an older Mustang. This looks like an old Fox body. So what happened here is his heat seek mode actually is a little bit off. It's not super accurate. So as you see, while he's spinning right here, there's crowds all around, of course, and he actually just misses a crowd. So right back here, you see there's a crowd of people. It's going to be really blurry. Again, a lot of these videos are shot on Androids and Game Boy Advances and stuff like that. You guys know how this shit works. But just missed, and you see they're safe behind this pole. This thing slapped into the curb. This is, again, a common occurrence on old Fox bodies. They love slapping into curbs. Nothing out of the ordinary here, just an old, outdated heat seek mode. Nothing too crazy. Okay, I like the guy flying in the thumbnail. Alright, too bad we didn't get to see too much of that. Now this one, I blame more of the person's fault. I don't know which car it was exactly that hit him, but yeah, for sure I blame the person because he was standing way out there when he probably shouldn't have been. Yeah, okay. Not much there, but okay, let's see this one.
Damn!
Okay, so I think this is a different angle from this video. It looks like it a lot. So here we got an old S197 Mustang of some sort. I couldn't tell. It doesn't look like a Cobra. It doesn't have the Cobra bumper. So it's probably a GT. These guys are all squirrely in it. We got Childish Gambino right here in the passenger seat. And they're just having fun, man. That's a pretty smooth little, drift, burnout, peel out stuff. They spin out. Good thing it wasn't intended crowds. We got a Camaro joining the mix right here. And he whips back the other way. And it was completely that guy's fault. He ran out there, not the Mustang's fault. That's one less credit toward bad Mustang drivers and one credit towards shitty bystanders. So we got a new age Mustang coming in. I thought that he straight up lost his legs. Now he ninja'd that shit in between his legs somehow. I don't know how he did it. He ninja'd it in between his legs. I don't know how, but it seemed to work and they walked away fine. The 5.0 was probably a little beat up, but I don't know how they got away with that. They are dumbasses for not moving. Yeah, look at that. She barely got away, and his dumbass, I mean, I don't know. Maybe his pants got caught. That's why he's sagging. I don't know. But he got lucky. He got very lucky. All right, another SN95. I already see a busted-ass rim, so. Yep. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about with that outdated heat seek. Now, this one might have been on crowd control mode. Now, you guys didn't know this. This is a little classified information, but Mustangs used to be police cars. Again, you won't be able to find this anywhere, but they used to be police cars in certain occasions. So if there was a big LA riot or something like that, they would send out the Mustang drivers, and they'd have crowd control on to try to minimize numbers. And so this was their tactic. It wasn't a very good tactic, as you can see, because sometimes it'll just fucking activate randomly. So Ford really needs to fix that. But yeah, that's a common case of just crowd control right there. So, and now they're all dancing on his car. So not only does he have a busted rim, but he's got scratches all over his car, and just fuck it, man, he's happy. Alright, that was dragging on way too long. Okay, so we got, looks like an old Eleanor style Mustang right here. One of my favorite body styles on the Mustang. Looks really nice. It's 67 Shelby being taken to its new owner's first cruise night. Oh no. Okay, well I didn't expect that to happen, okay? I thought his ass was just gonna do some dumb burnout and then get, you know, pulled over because I saw the cop drive by and I was reading it right after the cop passed. So, but no, man, that guy is a fucking moron. Okay, that guy, bad Mustang driver. That guy is just a retard. I don't know why he wasn't looking. Okay, also the cop drove by. He didn't see the cop, clear as day. Just, you know, cruise on by. Skedaddle right there. Obviously a black and white. And just fucking turns right into traffic. I don't know what that guy was doing. It looked like he was more in the middle of the street. I mean, it looks like a lane, but you know those little turnouts and shit like that. It looked like he was over there. So, but yeah, that's fucked up, man. But poor Eleanor right there, didn't deserve it. Alright, that Mustang got extremely lucky. They looked like they were street racing. A very slow street race. Oh, they're okay, well they both were like burning out and doing zigzags around each other. So I don't know what was going on, but no one got hurt and his car's fine, so that's a win. Let's see, oh look, an S197 Mustang. Let's see. I already sense it. I already know what's gonna happen. No? Okay, look at that little plot twist right there. I was expecting him to, you know, wreck into the car that he was saying, hey, watch this. Yeah, I was expecting him to wreck into the car that he was saying, hey, watch this. But it turns out they're just getting arrested, so it's all fun and games. Okay, everyone's safe there. So okay, here we go. Here's a good thumbnail right here. We got looks like I got a drag strip or a track or something. Okay, drag strip.
Oh no, shit! Oh my god! Oh.
All right, I gotta rewatch that because I was looking at the GTO too much. Okay, I like the GTO more than the Mustang. Okay, now what I don't get is when this is happening, how come they don't stop accelerating? You're already losing, you know, traction and shit like that. Like, did he break an axle or something? Is that why this stuff happens? You guys, I don't know. This has never happened to me in my Mustang personally. When I lose traction, I let off. I'm not retarded and go straight into the wall. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't know how that happens. Okay. Oh, here's a good angle of it. Yeah, okay, he came really close to that GTO, man. You don't need to destroy another nice car, okay? You already destroyed your Mustang. Don't need to destroy the GTO. Okay, I've seen this one. This is fucked up, man. I feel bad for this one. You guys have all probably seen this one. Look at this. I feel sorry. Okay, so, little backstory. This actually, I believe this happened in Southern California. Supposedly, well, this guy I knew was at it or something like that. And, well, pretty much he was trying to do donuts and he ran into the crowd, okay? Usual Mustang stuff. You expect it nowadays. You get out of the way if you see a Mustang doing donuts at a car meet or a little meetup burnout spot. And, well, they all jumped him and his car. Look at this. Pretty much, I don't want to show the whole clip because it's a really long clip, but they all literally destroyed his car by kicking it, beating it, and, you know, not letting it escape, okay? And I think they even pulled the guy out of the car and beat the shit out of him. If I remember correctly. I could be giving you false news or fake news right there, so, you know, don't listen to me, but I believe they beat the shit out of the guy too. So if you guys remember that, comment down below, but yeah, that was a really fucked up clip. The guy was just trying to do donuts at a car meet. It was probably his first car meet, and then he goes and gets destroyed. So, I mean, yeah, it is his dumbass fault for not, you know, knowing and putting other people's lives in danger, but I feel bad for him at the same time. Let's see one more. Let's try to get one more good one. Hopefully, something. Okay, this one looks pretty good. Fox body. Alright, well that Fox body owner is smart as fuck, okay? He just pulled into the gas station and was like, nah, it wasn't me, okay? And that cop just kept going. That is one smart owner. Again, don't condone doing anything dumb, illegal like that, but hey, it worked. Come on, I want to see one more wreck, man. Okay, this looks like a wreck. I see a dude right here either getting the best camera angle ever or he just got flung. Okay, okay. Oh my god. I thought he was legit gonna get his ass ran over right there. Again, his fault. That's his fault. That's not the Mustang owner. This channel should be bad Mustang owners and shitty filmers or something, or shitty car meet people. I don't know. These guys are retarded. Like, look at that. Okay, so he's doing fine. He's nowhere near the crowd. Yeah, okay, 100% his fault. He almost lost his life for his own fault. I don't know if the Mustang has some hypnosis where, you know, makes people want to get ran over or something, but he was asking for it. The Mustang did the right thing and stopped on a dime. So again, dumbass people. So anyway, guys, yeah, I just saw this someone tagged me in this page on Instagram. You know who you are. I forgot your IG handle, so but you know who you are. Thank you. You can leave a comment saying who you were, but thank you for showing me this page. This page is really funny. I like seeing people fail and shit like that. You know, it makes me be more thankful for, you know, me not being a moron. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up right here. If you want to become a part of the Peacock flock, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you flock to the videos every time I post. Wednesday, we got Ricer Cars on. Maybe something else. Maybe Facebook. Maybe OfferUp. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to switch it up a little. So, we'll see where I can find the best Ricer Cars. Thursday, we got Tuners. Friday, Ricer Nice. You guys know the little schedule. Tomorrow, we'll see. We'll see what I post tomorrow. Maybe something similar to this. So, anyway, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.